Christian Outdoors here. We are making our baits. Where's one? We're gonna show you one. Where is the other one? Hold on, guys. So, here would be, we have Salem, here on Facebook, here we are making all kinds. I love fishing and hunting. That's the best things ever. Like, that's the best things you can do. I don't know why you wouldn't want to fish, but yeah, so I'll show you my dad. It's hard for me to make them, but I'm gonna start making them with my dad. Here's my cat though. We're at the cabin. I goats down there, a pond. Okay. There's all those about making one now. That was that green one. What's that green one there? Oh, here's one we made too. Real nice looking bait. I never seen a bait like this bait's. I say this could catch big old 10-pounder bass. Oh, here's Jaden, my uncle. Check in here.
Listen, leave the cat alone.
It'll come right now. Shh, I'm making a video. Zoe here.
Hey, show them open.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And the extra, we use that. Yeah. So. You can just do that. Oh, and if you have old soft plastic, you can put them in here and we melt them down. See, that was extra we had, and we have we'll open another one. Please turn out good. Oh, yes, that looks like the best. Oh my gosh, that thing looks good. There it is. Let me get here.
Let me see.
Here, that. Again, there's the extra, so that way back in there.
So here's the foam.
Hey guys. Oh,
Okay,
here's all our different colors right
Here's
up
the foam
there.
and salt.
Oh, here it is. Here's what it turned out. Hold on. That's what it turned out to. Not bad looking soft plastic. Not a bad looking soft plastic. It's okay. Oh, there's a swim bait. Man, the business is already coming. Like, we're making baits. Like, that's a handful. We'll make, like, bags, but we actually might make a pack with all kinds of different baits, too. So, yeah.
You just want to try to use this up?
Just try to use that up or something. Oh, I forgot I was in video. Hold on. Okay, I'm back, guys. I'm back. Hold on. I'll be right back. Guys, I'm sorry, but it might not be the great video, but I'm a little kid. Oh, if you want some bait, they're on Facebook, like and subscribe. Peace.